Children, today we are going to study about ng and sound. We know that letter N says and letter K says k, but when we put them together, they sound this way. Ng, ng, ng. Now let us read some words that have ng sound. Wink, w, I, ng, wink. NK in the wink says ng, ng, ng. Bank, b, ng, bank. NK in the bank says ng, ng, ng. Ink, I, ink, ink. NK in the ink says ink, ink, ink. Pink, p, I, ink, pink. NK in the pink says ink, ink, ink. Letter N says and letter G says g, but when we put them together, they sound this way. Ng, ng, ng. Now let us read some words that have ng sound. Sing, s, I, ng, sing. NG in the sing says ng, ng, ng. Tongue, t, ng, tongue. NG in the tongue says ng, ng, ng. Bank, b, ng, bank. NG in the bank says ng, ng, ng. King, k, I, ng, king. NG in the king says ng, ng, ng. Now let us study about sight words. But first we need to know what are sight words. Sight words are the words that appear more frequently in our reading and writing. Will, I will complete my work tomorrow. Many, I have many friends. Up, please pick up this book and put it in your bag. Then, first brush your teeth and then go to sleep. Other, do we know each other? Them, Ria doesn't like them. About, the teacher is about to come. These pencils are mine. Out, hooray, I got 10 out of 10. So, I was feeling tired, so I took a nap.